Navigating the complexities of immigration law can be overwhelming, especially when your future, your family, and your legal status are on the line. Whether you're applying for a visa, seeking asylum, pursuing a green card, or facing removal proceedings, hiring the right immigration attorney can mean the difference between success and failure. A qualified attorney not only understands the letter of the law but also how to apply it strategically to your unique situation. Unfortunately, many individuals fall into the hands of unqualified or unethical practitioners, which can lead to devastating consequences. To protect yourself and ensure the best possible outcome, it's essential to know what to look for in an immigration attorney. Here are 10 comprehensive tips to guide you in finding the right legal expert for your immigration needs. 1. Check for proper licensing and bar membership. The first and most critical step in choosing an immigration attorney is to verify that they are properly licensed to practice law. In the United States, an immigration lawyer must be licensed by a state bar association. You can typically check their standing by visiting the state bar's website. A legitimate attorney should also be in good standing, meaning they have no disciplinary actions or ethical violations on record. Never assume someone is qualified simply because they claim to be an immigration expert. Always confirm their credentials independently. 2. Look for immigration law specialization. Immigration law is a highly specialized field that changes frequently and requires a deep understanding of legal nuances and government procedures. An attorney who specializes exclusively or primarily in immigration law is more likely to be up to date on current regulations, deadlines, and case strategies. Avoid general practice lawyers who may dabble in multiple legal areas but lack a comprehensive focus on immigration. A true specialist can provide tailored advice that could significantly improve your chances of success. 3. Seek referrals from trusted sources. One of the best ways to find a reliable immigration attorney is through personal referrals. Ask friends, family members, coworkers, or community members who have gone through similar immigration processes. Nonprofit immigrant support organizations, local cultural associations, and religious institutions often work with reputable attorneys and can offer valuable recommendations. First-hand experiences can give you insights into an attorney's communication style, work ethic, and track record. 4. Read online reviews and testimonials. In the digital age, reviews and testimonials can offer powerful insights into an attorney's reputation. Websites like Avvo, Martindale-Hubbell, Google Reviews, Yelp, and the Better Business Bureau can provide unfiltered feedback from past clients. While no attorney will have a perfect record, consistent patterns, whether positive or negative, can be telling. Look for reviews that highlight clear communication, successful case outcomes, and client satisfaction. Be cautious of reviews that appear overly generic or suspiciously perfect. 5. Verify experience with similar cases. Not all immigration cases are the same. Someone dealing with employment-based immigration will need a different skill set than someone applying for asylum or facing deportation. When interviewing attorneys, ask specific questions about their experience with cases like yours. How many similar cases have they handled? What were the outcomes? Have they dealt with clients from your home country or with your unique legal issue? An attorney familiar with your type of case is more likely to anticipate challenges and guide you through successfully. 6. Ask about communication and accessibility. Good legal representation isn't just about expertise, it's also about communication. A qualified attorney should be accessible, responsive, and willing to explain the legal process in a way that's easy to understand. Ask how the attorney prefers to communicate, email, phone, in person, and how frequently they provide updates. Clarify whether you'll be dealing directly with the attorney or with paralegals and assistants. Strong communication builds trust and ensures that you stay informed throughout your case. 7. Beware of promises and guarantees. Immigration law is unpredictable, and no honest attorney can guarantee a specific outcome. Be wary of anyone who promises success or claims they have special connections with immigration officers. Such statements are not only unethical but often a red flag for fraud. A qualified immigration attorney will give you a realistic assessment of your case, including potential risks and obstacles. Trust those who are honest, transparent, and willing to prepare you for all possible outcomes. 8. Discuss fees and get a written agreement. Legal services can be expensive, so it's important to understand the fee structure up front. Immigration attorneys may charge flat fees, hourly rates, or a combination of both depending on the complexity of the case. Ask for a detailed estimate and make sure you understand what services are included. Always get a written agreement that outlines the scope of representation, fee structure, and payment schedule. Transparency in fees is a hallmark of a trustworthy attorney and helps avoid misunderstandings later on. 9. Confirm membership in professional organizations. Membership in professional legal organizations can be a sign of an attorney's commitment to their field. In the U.S., look for membership in the American Immigration Lawyers Association, AILA. AILA members are expected to uphold ethical standards and stay current with immigration law developments. While membership alone doesn't guarantee quality, it is a useful indicator of ongoing professional engagement. Some attorneys may also participate in local immigration law committees or volunteer with legal aid groups, further demonstrating their dedication. 10. Trust your instincts and comfort level. Lastly, it's essential to trust your instincts. If something feels off during your initial consultation, such as pressure to sign a contract, evasive answers, or poor communication, it may be best to walk away. The attorney-client relationship is built on trust, so you should feel comfortable asking questions, expressing concerns, and relying on their advice. Choose someone who treats you with respect, shows compassion for your situation, and demonstrates professionalism at every step. Choosing a qualified immigration attorney is one of the most important decisions you'll make during your immigration journey. The right attorney can advocate for your rights, increase your chances of success, and offer peace of mind in a complex and often stressful process. By following these 10 tips, ranging from checking credentials and experience to evaluating communication and ethics, you can avoid scams, protect your future, and find legal guidance that truly serves your best interests. Always remember, in immigration law, quality representation is not just helpful, it's essential.